Hello everyone, it's Genevieve the Billy Norman. All I can see to all of you is a happy New Year, all of us. We both all know that Philippines is suffering for this year 2025. We are still fighting and surviving. Nasaktan ako dahil I'm also a Filipina here. Alam nyo, hindi rin madali ang buhay dito sa Sweden. Hindi talaga siya madali. Kung ako magsasalita sa inyo ngayon, yung we are still fighting here, parang isipin ko talaga, we are still fighting and fighting in here. Ang masasabi ko sa inyong lahat is, if God is in our hearts, even in our trials, we are still in His peace. Hindi talaga madali maging tao, of course. Being human is human. Lahat, danasin natin lahat-lahat. Huwag kayong mag-alala if I'm acting, my face is old. Hindi na kasi ako bata. I'm already 45 years old. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Happy New Year sa lahat. Bye!